Learn English through stories The Lost Wallet. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ava and this is your English listening practice class. If you want to improve your English listening, vocabulary, pronunciation, and speaking skills, then you're in the right place. Today's story is called The Lost Wallet. Just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Now let's begin. It was a beautiful Sunday morning. The sun was shining brightly. People were walking in the park. Children were laughing and playing. Everything looked peaceful. 26-year-old Alex Johnson was enjoying his day off. Alex worked as a teacher. He lived alone in a small apartment and loved simple things in life. Every Sunday, he liked to visit Central Park, drink coffee, and read books. That morning was no different. Alex bought a cup of coffee and sat on a bench under a large tree. He opened his favorite book and started reading. After about an hour, he stood up and decided to take a walk. As he walked along the path, something caught his attention. There was a black wallet lying on the ground. Alex stopped immediately. He looked around, but nobody seemed to notice it. He picked up the wallet carefully. It looked expensive. For a moment, he wondered what to do. Some people might have ignored it. Others might have kept it. But Alex knew what he wanted to do. He wanted to find the owner. As the saying goes, honesty is the best policy. Alex sat on a nearby bench and opened the wallet. Inside, there were several credit cards, some cash, and an ID card. The owner's name was Michael Carter. There was also a family photograph. In the picture, Michael was standing beside a woman and two young children. They all looked happy. Alex smiled. This man must be worried, he thought. He knew how stressful it could be to lose a wallet. A few years ago, Alex had lost his own wallet. He remembered feeling scared and frustrated. Because of that experience, he wanted to help. He looked around again, but there was no sign of Michael. Suddenly, his phone rang. It was his friend David. "Hey, Alex," David said. "Do you want to watch the football match this afternoon?" "Maybe later," Alex replied. "I found someone's wallet." "A wallet?" David asked. "Wow. Maybe you're lucky." Alex laughed. "Not that kind of lucky. I'm trying to find the owner." David smiled. "That's a good idea." After ending the call, Alex looked at the ID card again. Then he had an idea. There was a business card inside the wallet. It belonged to a company called Carter Electronics. Alex quickly searched for the company online. Fortunately, he found the phone number. He called immediately. A woman answered. "Good morning, Carter Electronics." "Good morning," Alex said politely. "My name is Alex Johnson. I think I found a wallet that belongs to Mr. Michael Carter." There was silence for a moment. Then the woman sounded excited. "Really? Mr. Carter has been looking for it all morning. He was very worried." Alex smiled. "I'm happy to hear that." The woman gave Alex Michael's phone number. A few minutes later, Alex called him. "Hello," a nervous voice answered. "Mr. Carter?" Alex asked. "Yes. My name is Alex. I believe I found your wallet." For a few seconds, Michael said nothing. Then he almost shouted with joy. "My wallet! You found it!" "Yes," Alex replied. "It's safe." Michael sounded relieved. "Oh, thank goodness. You have no idea how worried I was. I thought I had lost everything." Alex laughed softly. "Don't worry. Everything is still inside." Michael thanked him many times. They agreed to meet at a coffee shop near the park. Half an hour later, Michael arrived. He looked nervous but hopeful. As soon as he saw the wallet, a huge smile appeared on his face. "This is unbelievable," he said. "Thank you so much." He quickly checked the wallet. Everything was there. Nothing was missing. Michael looked at Alex with gratitude. "There aren't many honest people like you," he said. Alex smiled. "I simply did what I thought was right." Michael shook his head. "No. You did something special." Then Michael reached into his pocket and offered Alex some money. But Alex politely refused. "No, thank you," he said. "I'm just happy I could help." Michael smiled. "You know," he said, "today you restored my faith in people." Alex laughed. "And you reminded me that kindness still exists." The two men sat down and talked over coffee. They discovered that they had many things in common. Both loved books. Both enjoyed traveling, and both supported the same football team. They laughed and shared stories for almost an hour. Before leaving, Michael handed Alex his business card. "If you ever need anything," he said, "please call me." Alex smiled. "Thank you." But he never expected to see Michael again. However, life is full of surprises. 3 months later, Alex received a phone call. It was Michael. "Hello, my friend," Michael said. "Our company is looking for teachers for a special education program. And I immediately thought of you." Alex was surprised. After several interviews, he got the job. It was a wonderful opportunity. His salary improved, and he loved the work. One evening, while sitting in his new office, Alex thought about that Sunday morning. He smiled. Who would have imagined that finding a wallet could change his life? As the saying goes, what goes around comes around. This expression means that kindness often returns to us. Sometimes, good things happen when we help others. Not because we expect a reward, but because kindness has a way of coming back. And that is exactly what happened to Alex. He returned a lost wallet, and in return, he found a new friendship, a better career, and a valuable lesson. Always do the right thing, because even small acts of kindness can change someone's life, including your own. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing your English, and I'll see you in the next story.